The facts on workplace accidents.
Peter, what benefits are available if I'm injured in the workplace?
Well, workers are always entitled to time off work and medical expense benefits. It's usually a very simple process to lodge a work cover claim.
What additional rights apply?
In addition to benefits, workers can often claim for future loss of earning capacity, but to qualify they have to show that the injury occurred through some fault in the workplace or negligence. So when benefits stop, a lot of workers still have an opportunity to claim for substantial damages.
When should I contact a lawyer, Peter?
Well, it's always important to get good advice early, so it's good policy to see a lawyer in the early days after an accident.
What if I'm injured at a workplace that's not where I normally work?
Well, in those cases, you or your lawyer will have to consider a claim against the non-employer party as well. So the claim can be against the employer and the other party if there is some fault on their part.
Does it also apply to labour hire companies?
Well, yes, that's a good example of having to bring a claim not just against the actual labour hire employer but also against the host employer where the injury takes place.
Sounds very complicated to me, Peter.
Well, workplace injuries are complex. There's a lot of legislation and a lot of procedural rules. It's always important to get good advice to make sure you can navigate around those rules.
So how important are medical visits?
Well, when you go to the doctor, they will take a history and perform an examination. So it's always important to keep returning to the doctor if you still have problems so that at least those problems and symptoms are recorded.